So you got the treat because you touched the harness. Oh, we don't want that. Let go. Drop. Drop it. Okay, that's not going to work. Stop. And drop. Okay. Okay, we don't want you chewing on it. Let go. That just makes it more interesting. Let go. And drop it. That's not going to work. Come on. Like. Come on. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Gimme a bit. Come on. Okay. Like. Stop. Well, at least you're not scared of it, so that's one thing, right? Just checking it out. You gonna put it on yourself? Oh, you tangled it so much. Okay. Maybe I need another treat to make you let go. What do you think? Come on. Drop it. No? Is that a big fat no? Don't. Like. How about if I distract you? You don't usually let me touch your head. Yeah. You're like, what are you doing? Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Good girl. Good job. Now, hang on. I'm trying to... Yeah, hang on. Okay. Let me see. I just want to rest it on your back. Oh, good girl. Good job. Good job, Bubby.